It was meant to be a game changer for the UPA government, but now its direct cash transfer scheme has put the government on the back foot with the Election Commission's latest verdict that this scheme was avoidable. Here is the entire story.
It was called the game changer for the UPA government. But Election Commission now putting a brake on government's direct cash transfer scheme, questioning the timing of the announcement just ahead of state polls.
It is there already on the website. Please see that. I have no time now.
One line. आपने दोबारा से नोटिस के लिए बोला है या आपने उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है जो गवर्नमेंट ने क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया था?
Satisfied with government's reply, sir? I will just read out one paragraph.
Okay. Yeah.
Taking into consideration the above chronology of milestones, the Commission is of the considered opinion that the aforesaid announcement was avoidable.
This decision came after a 2-hour-long Election Commission meet over government's reply on this scheme. This was followed by a stern letter barring the scheme in 4 districts of Gujarat and 2 in Himachal Pradesh till elections are over, which has sparked off a political war of words.
The BJP welcomes this decision, and I think the Congress party should realize that they cannot get to power by doing such things.
There is no seriousness in this. It is just kind of a, because of political considerations, because of Gujarat election, all things have been done in a hurry.
It's not a snap, not even a negative comment, but at the same time, the fact is that elections are going on in some states, so they have said that it could have been avoided, and we take it in the true spirit. We don't consider it as a snub on the government.
The Election Commission expressing its displeasure with the government as far as the announcement of the direct cash transfer scheme is concerned. The Election Commission, after its full bench meeting, said that this announcement clearly was avoidable and that it should stay the implementation of this scheme in 4 districts of Gujarat and 2 districts of Himachal Pradesh where polls are currently underway. With the opposition BJP having raised this issue clearly at some level or the other, this will cause embarrassment to the government, which has insisted that this was a scheme that was already underway and that it is not a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Madhvas Gopalakrishnan in New Delhi for Times Now.